DEWALT 20V MAX Blower DCE100M1 Review. Real cordless job site power worth knowing. You just finished a full framing run. Drywall dust is coating every single surface within reach, and you are standing there hunting for an extension cord buried somewhere underneath a half-collapsed lumber pile. You untangle it for 12 minutes just to do a 2-minute blowdown and move on. Type guilty if that is genuinely your Tuesday morning routine, because does your cleanup workflow really deserve to stay this frustrating? Hauling a gas blower to every minor cleanup job is suffocating your on-site momentum in ways you completely stopped noticing a long time ago. The fuel ritual, the cold start fight, the exhaust filling your lungs for hours. It compounds quietly and drags every productive hour down with it. What if control was actually simple? One grab, one trigger press, and done. Stay here, because the next part rewires everything. Then I plugged in the DEWALT 20V MAX Blower for Jobsite kit, DCE100M1, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any cordless job site blower. Make sure it has a variable speed trigger and full 20V max ecosystem compatibility so you never feel that suffocating cord hunting, fuel mixing frustration stealing your productive morning hours ever again. Here are 6 superpowers packed inside this compact yellow machine. First, 135 miles per hour of focused air velocity clears sawdust, concrete dust, and light debris off surfaces before you complete a single pass. Second, the variable speed trigger gives you surgical precision on delicate gear, all the way up to full force on stubborn heavy piles. Third, at 2.5 pounds tool only, your shoulder stops filing noise complaints by midday. Fourth, full 20V max ecosystem compatibility means the battery already living in your drill or grinder drops directly in without a second thought. Fifth, zero emissions and genuinely quieter operation keeps early morning residential sites peaceful and neighbor complaint free all week. Sixth, the 3-speed switch locks your preferred setting so your trigger finger actually rests during longer continuous sessions. Picture 6:48 a.m., a concrete pour inspection starting in 9 minutes, the slab completely buried under overnight dust and scattered debris. One battery swap, 30 seconds of focused trigger time, slab looked fully inspection ready before the foreman reached the gate. Nobody panicked, nobody knew. The trigger lock-on feature is the setting almost nobody openly discusses, and it completely transforms extended use comfort in ways that quietly change your entire day. Here is where the proof stacks so high and so cleanly that doubt quietly dies of embarrassment and stops showing up to the conversation entirely. Hours recovered from gas engine maintenance translate directly into sharper mental clarity on the billable work that actually pays you every week. That clarity doubles your visible on-site performance without extra effort, and doubled performance creates results that make clients call you back without a single follow-up needed. A professional construction tool expert tested the DCE100M1i under real job site conditions and confirmed the motor delivers noticeably consistent air velocity even as battery charge naturally tapers across a session, clearing sawdust and concrete dust as effectively as far heavier and more cumbersome models. A landscaping influencer with years of daily gas blower experience openly admitted that after one full week using this kit, end-of-day shoulder and back fatigue dropped in a way that was immediately and physically obvious. An industry analyst confirmed that contractors already operating inside the DEWALT 20V MAX ecosystem face exactly zero additional infrastructure cost when adding this blower, making the total cost of ownership argument essentially impossible to counter. Verified purchaser Zeta left this completely raw on Amazon. Powerful, light, easy to handle, included battery life very good. Used it on the deck, sidewalk, garage floor, and back of her SUV without issue. This is the one thing thousands message me about every single day without fail. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for the featherlight weight, 2 for the 20V max ecosystem drop-in compatibility, or 3 for the variable speed trigger precision. Drop your number right now because I genuinely want to see which one dominates the comments today. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire job site cleanup routine and stopped tolerating the gas ritual, the cord hunting, and the exhaust breathing that used to eat the first 20 minutes of every productive morning. The DEWALT 20V MAX Blower for Job Site Kit DCE100M1 makes debris removal fast, light, precise, and completely drama-free from the very first trigger pull straight through to the final sweep of the day. First link is in the description, and I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Go look. Your next job site morning already feels cleaner. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.